Today we're going to learn lesson 6.1. This is part 1, Systems of Linear Equations in Two Variables. So chapter 6 is all about something called systems of equations. If you see the word systems, notice it's plural. There's an S on the end, meaning more than one. So systems of equations are all about linear equations, meaning they're lines on a graph. There's more than one of them. Okay, that's the plural of it. So more than one linear equation together. So our objective for today is we're going to be able to identify, I will identify a system of linear equations. That's the first part. And we're going to be able to determine a solution to a system of equations. Okay, and as always, our essential question goes along with our objective. What is a system of linear equations, and how do you know the solution to a system of equations? All right, well, the key concept, you're probably wondering, well, what exactly is a system of linear equations? A system of linear equations is basically just two or more linear equations together. It's just two or more linear equations together, and obviously you're solving the equations together. All right, let's take a look at our example number 1 going along with that. Determine whether the following are systems of equations. If not, explain why. There should be an S right here, sorry. Systems of equations. Well, the first one, letter A, y equals 2.1x, and then y equals x minus 5. Well, the definition is it has to be two or more linear equations together. Well, these are two equations together. Notice they both have an equal sign. So this is yes, because it's two equations together. Okay, it's as easy as that. You just have two equations and they're together. So it's a system of equations. Letter B, here we have 5x minus 7y. Well, wait a second, that's not even an equation. There's no equal sign, and there's not two of them. So this is not a system of linear equations, no, because this is an expression. All right, and again, there's not two of them, so it definitely can't be a system of linear equations. Letter C, x equals 2 and y equals negative 3. Well, I see two equal signs, and they're both equations. So yeah, this is a system of linear equations. Why? Because it's two equations together. That's the definition, remember. All right, let's look at letter D. 6x plus 7y equals 9. Is it a system? Well, it's an equation. I know that because there's an equal sign. But there's only one of them. And a system of linear equations, remember the definition is two or more linear equations together. Since this is only one equation, then it's not a system of linear equations. No, because it's only one equation. Okay, so the key here is to determine whether something as a system of linear equations is you have to make sure that it's two equations that are together. It can't just be an expression. It can't just be one equation. It has to be two equations like A and C, two equations together. Okay, now try the Got It number 1 and then look to the Got It number 1 video to make sure that you did that correctly.